push the button here. As for the interior, it is a non-smoker. It smells really good. All the bolstering looks nice. And you have a little small scuff right here, a couple little scuffs in there, a few on the handle. Otherwise, in very, very good condition. You have the black cloth, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, cruise control. This does have navigation. Of course, your backup camera, auto start stop. Got the climate control system, 12-volt port, auxiliary, USB-C, USB, power windows, push button start. You have your 2 keys there. And coming back here, you have your 2 cup holders, you have your 110, USB, USB, USB-C, your windows, and of course your air vents. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Looking at the fender here on the right side, we have some light scratches. And then here on the door, there's 1 rock chip there, 1 right there. And it has the clear bra here on the corner, but it is chewed up just a little bit. We have a chip right there. That one looks really nice. We have 1 rock chip right here. Typical little scuffs on the plastic, but nothing really noticeable. A very light scuff right here on the paint. If you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.